Today's adventure is brought to you by BattlBox. If you love survival gear, camping equipment, EDC, and outdoor gadgets, you're in the right place because we're cracking open BattlBox Mission 137 to see if this month's box lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome to the Ham Radio Guy. I've been wanting to make this video a week, but it's been so darn hot here in Minnesota, Wisconsin, that I wanted to be able to have a nicer evening. Sun's going down, a little shade, and kind of sit back here on my patio and enjoy the beautiful view, which I'll show you what that looks like as well from here. But what I really want to bring you is BattlBox Mission 137. And I've been subscribing to this now for a few months, and I've got some pretty cool items from lanterns and hydration packs and some other field stuff that has been really cool. This is the low key, this is like their basic box. And you can go all the way up to the pro version, and where you can get knives and a lot of other things, and bigger water bottles and all kinds of stuff. But I just really want to be able to have some of this low-key stuff here. So let's open up this box and see what we got. So first thing on top is our mission briefing. In every box, you get a mission briefing of kind of what's in your box, what you get, and this is about Mission 137. Sheltering in place. So let's get to the first item here I see. And this is called Duck Aid. So this is good for camping, hiking, home travel, anywhere adventure. It's a pre-rolled roll of basically duct tape that becomes Band-Aid. Cut it to any length, size, or shape. It's got printout cut lines you need. And it's industrial strength grade medical tape. So pretty cool stuff to have here. And if you get a little closer to the screen there, you'll see that. And so that's the first thing here. And this is called Duck Aid 10-foot travel ready tape. So a few items in preparedness have earned a reputation like duct tape. Duck Aid takes that versatility and combines it with medical grade materials designed for emergency use. So got 288 different templates on there. Pretty cool stuff. Definitely something I could use once in a while to have with. I have used a cut off of a shirt and wrapped duct tape around it to save a finger before when I was out doing some fencing. So that's pretty cool. Next thing here is the County Com Lock Manipulation Complete Training Kit. So we'll open this up. Basically, this is from County Com, which, as you guys know, it's one of my affiliates I have. It's out there on my site, and this is the basically a big lockpick set. Now, I'm not a big lockpick guy, I'll be honest, but it's got all kinds of little locks and stuff in there, little key things you can see in the bag here to be able to have. So if you got something that's somebody's kind of locked out, and then they kind of give you a cool padlock here too. Definitely kind of gives you some experience and training how to pick the lock if you take out the key, and then start picking those locks and what you have to do to unlock that. So I'm sure there's some more guide training on there on that. And so knowledge is a preparedness tool, and few skills are more than satisfying every understanding how lock actually work. CountyCom Lock Manipulation Training Kit gives you a hands-on way to learn the fundamentals of lock operation manipulation in a safe training environment. So something pretty cool there. Something I definitely will spend some time playing with, and we'll see. So it's all packed in a custom ballistic nylon pouch. So if you get locked out of your vehicle, maybe have or somebody else gets locked out of their vehicle, might be something you could try and do. Not too bad. So our third and final item here in the basic box is going to be hot snot fire lube in a tube. Starting a fire is easy when conditions are perfect. The challenge comes when they're not. Hot snot fire starter designed for exactly those situations. Simply squeeze onto your tinder, kindling, or fuel source, ignite with a match lighter or ferro rod. It burns hot, lights quickly, and even performs on wet wood. So it gives you a dependable flame when comfort, cooking, and warmth don't matter. So it comes in a nice tube box here. And let me turn that around so you can see that. Called Hot Shot. So cool stuff there. No, I'm sorry, I was right the first time. Hot snot. So fire lube in a tube. I thought it said hot shot, but no, it's fire. It's hot snot. So pretty cool. That is the basic mission brief for 137. Some of the other things that came in this box was the Triumph System brass training system. So you kind of see it's a fire shot system. You can practice with your phone, taking shots on a thing on a wall, and you're using just some brass trainers to, to engage with your laser and drawing points. So kind of aim at your phone. It looks like maybe, so kind of cool. That's something very different for the advanced box. The Pro box has the Rocket Gator BattlBox collapsible stowaways. Kind of show you them. And then the final one, the Pro Plus box, has the dead fish trail chop knife as well. And that's that one there. So anyway, that's why you kind of get the different boxes. Again, a couple pros up, a couple steps up. But these are always cool. Again, cool products, cool things. And if you carry like a bug out bag, or if you have a bag that you want to use for when SHTF happens, maybe we'll call it the zombie apocalypse. Not I really believe in that, but it's one of those things that, if I got to take my family and go, I've got a kit that has fire starters, radios, a weather radio. It's got like two protective blankets in there for, cooling up and wrapping together. I've got a compass in there, a number of other things. And some of these items here will probably go in there, like the hot shot or hot snot will probably go in there. And even actually I might get me another box of this, find this duct tape. I might throw this in my truck and have that handy as well for on roadside events, whenever you're coming across an emergency, or if you're just, needing something handy, like if I'm out here on my property and I cut myself or whatever, I'll quite often just go to my truck and grab something out of my first aid kit and use that before I go inside and grab a Band-Aid or something. So, this might be handy to have in that go bag as well. But certainly, you don't have to keep it in that package necessarily, but it does come, in a wrapping array, so it kind of could stay maybe a little bit dry. I don't know how the waterproofness of that is, but anyway, something worth looking into a little bit more for. So that is the BattlBox, and I just wanted to bring that to you. If you have not subscribed to that, I think it's like 30, 40 bucks a month. I don't really know right offhand. I want to say it's right in that category, but again, they bring some cool stuff to you, and they usually say that the value exceeds what you pay for it. And I don't know what these items would cost individually. I've not priced it out. Again, I opened this box, and when you saw it here, other than me just cutting the sides for the tape to get in, that's the most I had done. So I didn't know what was in there myself until we did this together. So hope you enjoy this. Please like, subscribe, and hope that you will maybe look at BattlBox yourself potentially to see what you can get. It's worth a shot. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this. We'll catch you next time on the Ham Radio Guy 73.